Although we recommend that you remember your basic conversions, there are some very nice reminders on the CRP-5. Do try and remember that there are 3.28 feet in 1 metre. However, if you cannot remember, line up the 10 on the inner scale, also shown by the red arrow, with the 10 on the outer scale, and notice kilometres, metres, litres is written in red above it. With the cursor positioned on feet in red on the outer scale, you can read 3.28 on the inner scale. Now to an example. How many feet are there in 4727 metres? Line up 4727 on the inner scale with the metre datum on the outer scale. Then rotate the cursor to the feet datum on the outer scale and read off 15,500 feet on the inner scale. Of course, this type of question may be done using an electronic calculator if you know that 1 metre is equal to 3.28 feet. 4727 metres when multiplied by 3.28 equaling 15,500 feet. Important distance conversions to learn are: nautical miles multiplied by 1.15 equals statute miles. Statute miles multiplied by 1.6 equals kilometres. And metres multiplied by 3.28 equals feet. This can be shown on the CRP-5 as follows. Position the 10 from the inner scale under the red nautical mile datum on the outer scale. The cursor is lined up on the red statute mile marker on the outer scale. Underneath can be read 1.15 on the inner scale. Without changing anything, underneath the red kilometre datum may be seen 1.852 kilometres. Let's convert 2650 kilometres to nautical miles and to statute miles. Using a calculator, 2650 divided by 1.6 equals 1656 statute miles. 1656 divided by 1.15 equals 1440 nautical miles. 2650 kilometres may be directly and more accurately converted to nautical miles by dividing by 1.852 to give 1431 nautical miles. Let's convert 363 nautical miles per hour to statute miles per hour and kilometres per hour. Using an electronic calculator, 363 knots multiplied by 1.15 equals 418 statute miles per hour. 418 statute miles per hour multiplied by 1.6 equals 669 kilometres per hour. And more directly and accurately, 363 knots multiplied by 1.852 equals 672 kilometres per hour. Important volume conversions to learn are: imperial gallons multiplied by 1.205 equals US gallons, and imperial gallons multiplied by 4.54 equals litres. This can also be shown on the CRP-5 by lining up the 10 on the inner scale with the red imperial gallon datum on the outer scale. Underneath the red US gallon datum on the outer scale may be read 1.2 on the inner scale. Without changing anything, underneath the red kilometres, metres, litres datum may be read 4.54. Let's convert 25,200 litres to imperial gallons and US gallons. Using an electronic calculator, 25,200 divided by 4.54 equals 5551 imperial gallons. 5551 imperial gallons multiplied by 1.205 equals 6689 US gallons. £2.2 equals 1 kilogram. Let's convert 4290 pounds to kilograms. Using an electronic calculator, 4290 pounds divided by 2.2 equals 1950 kilograms. When we convert between volumes and weights, we must consider specific gravity. Water has a specific gravity of 1.0. 1 litre of water weighs 1 kilogram. Aviation fuels are less dense than water and have specific gravities between 0.72 and 0.82. This means that aviation fuels weigh less than water by fractions of between 0.72 and 0.82. On the CRP-5, line up 1 litre represented by 10 on the inner scale with the red kilometres, metres, litres datum on the outer scale, and position the red cursor on a fuel-specific gravity of 0.74. This now corresponds to 0.74 kilograms on the inner scale. 0.74 specific gravity means the fuel is less dense, therefore weighs less. A reminder: imperial gallons multiplied by 1.205 equals USG. Imperial gallons multiplied by 4.54 equals litres. The volume of fuel multiplied by specific gravity equals weight, and kilogram multiplied by 2.2 equals pounds. An example: convert 708 imperial gallons of fuel with specific gravity of 0.74 into USG, litres, kilograms and pounds. 708 imperial gallons multiplied by 1.205 equals 853 USG. 708 imperial gallons multiplied by 4.54 equals 3214 litres. 3214 litres multiplied by a specific gravity of 0.74 equals 2379 kilograms. And 2379 kilograms multiplied by 2.2 equals 5234 pounds. There is a conversion scale at the bottom of the circular slide rule. Just read from one scale to another to convert temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. The formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5, then add 32. And the formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius is Fahrenheit minus 32, then multiply by 5 and divide by 9. For example, what is 37 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? Multiply 37 by 9 and then divide by 5 and then add 32, equaling 98.6. Let's try another. What is minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius? Subtract 32 from minus 40, then multiply by 5 and divide by 9, equaling minus 40 degrees Celsius.